Hi guys, this is Ben with Shirk Photography. I want to give you a brief glimpse into my Game Zone vertical template. With this template, there are a variety of different sports, and I'm going to demonstrate using the football, cross country, volleyball, and cheer template. But no matter which one you have, they all work very similarly. This has a cool football field background with some grass texture. There's also, if I open this up, I can shut the grass texture off and turn on a wood floor texture, and of course change that color to something more appropriate, maybe a yellow. Let's actually put some different subjects in here. So for example, here I'm going to open up my foreground subject, shut that off, and import a new one. Here's a volleyball player. It's as simple and easy as that to drag and drop. Just hit enter, go on to the background subject here, shut him off, and import another extracted subject and size her. This is just a different shot of her. The full tutorial included with the download will talk about how to light and pose your subjects for this. I think that looks pretty good. Now I'm going to retype her number, which is a 4, and let's retype her first name and then her last name. And let's actually change those colors to a bright yellow. I'm going to change this triangle to a yellow. And let's change that bottom bar. And then of course this football background can change to volleyball. So I'm going to shut off the football and turn on the volleyball. There's also a cheer palm one and a cross country / track option. And there are a variety of other templates that will have other different sports included with them. And it can be as simple and easy as that. Again, there's a full tutorial that'll walk you through these steps and give you more in-depth options of how to change and manipulate this template.